Hello to our third video tutorial. My name is Lisa and I'll show you this time which intervention options you have in the execution of a batch process as an operator. So let's start. In the main desktop you select the section Submit Batches and Jobs and navigate to the object Simple Batch that you have created in the last video. Submit and OK executes the batch process. Using that icon brings you directly into the monitoring of the batch. As you can see, the job step 1 is displayed blue with the status running. The other jobs are marked with the status dependency wait. Now you exit program step 1 with success. And the programs step 1 and step 2 are starting. After a refresh, you see the new situation in the monitoring. When step 1 and step 2 were completed with success, step 3 starts and the monitor displays the new situation after a refresh again, so you can specifically monitor every step. Now I want to give you a look at what you can do if any errors occur. For this you start the batch once more with Submit and OK and enter the monitoring again. This time you choose for step 1 the button Failure. After a refresh you see that the exit state of step 1 is on failure and all other jobs are waiting, because they are only allowed to start if step 1 is successfully completed. The first and simple solution is, of course, to start the job again. That you can easily try by using Rerun, the job in the monitoring, which you have to confirm in the next step. Now you close the confirm window and refresh the monitor. The same situation as before. If you would now finish step 1 with success, the other jobs continue running. But because I still want to show you a few more ways of troubleshooting, you finish the program step 1 again with failure and refresh the monitor again. Now you can take a look into the log file, which you open by using that icon. In our example, you won't find anything compelling, but in a live situation you may discover some interesting information about the type of failure or an error message of the executed program. Maybe you will find out that you prefer to terminate the execution of the batch. To fix the failure first, for example. For that you choose the icon Cancel and confirm it on the next screen. In the monitoring area, the whole batch now appears brown with the status Cancelled. There are even more possibilities. To try them out, please start the batch again and close step 1 again with a failure. Now you play the version that you fixed the error on which step 1 failed and started the program manually. Because you want to start the remaining jobs in the batch automatically, it would be convenient to skip now step 1. That is possible by declaring it successfully finished. For this you click on the job name and select the function Set State in the detailed view. In the following window, you select in the field Set Exit State the option Success and finish the operation with Set State. As you see, the dependent program started, although the job didn't run as a part of the batch. Next, I want to show you how individual dependencies can be selectively disconnected. For that you finish step 1 with failure and step 2 with success. After a refresh you see that step 1 is displayed red with the exit state failure and step 2 green with the exit state success. Step 3 is purple because it still has to wait until step 1 and step 2 are both successfully completed. To relieve step 3 of its dependency to step 1, you open the detailed view by clicking on its name and open the tab Dependencies. Here you select step 1 and disempower it with Ignore Dependency and confirm. As a result, the waiting program step 3 starts and you may achieve it with success. In the monitoring view, you see that the program step 1 is displayed still on error, although step 3 is displayed green. To clean that up, you cancel step 1. In Big Suite you can cancel not only complete batches but also individual parts of it. For this you click on the job name and select in the detailed view Cancel Run. Confirm it. And the job is now at the bottom of the list and set on the status Cancelled. That's it for now. In the next video, I'll show you the conditions for creating the requirements that parts of a batch can only be started when previous parts have actually loaded new data into the process. Have a good time. Talk to you soon.